Hello, friends. Welcome to Minds of Aspirant. This is a new channel that we have started in Minds of Aspirant. This is especially for anthropology optional paper. We have been putting series of videos. This is again a continuation of the series of videos that we have been doing in Gene Taung. You can look at the previous videos for as to what we have been doing. This is a playlist, so it will be all anthropology. You can look at one by one. The main theme that we have been discussing is about this Taung Child. I will also make other videos which you suggest in the comment section. But we are seeing what this Taung Child means. Or the first video was about the significance of Taung Child. You can please check that. Next, I explained what is this phylogenetic status in biological anthropology. Okay, any chapter in relation to biological anthropology, the phylogenetic status is very important. You cannot skip the phylogenetic status. In the question that when it comes like this, this is a 2023 question and it is a 20 mark question. So now we will see how to write this question, how to structure this question. Now check this. It's a 4 page. Okay. So may anyone writing mains, you can also note down how to write an answer also. It's a 4 page. So you should know that 20 marker means 4 page. 15 marker means 3 page. 10 marker means 2 page. So you should have this very clearly in mind when you're writing an answer. This is how you should structure. So 1, 2, if it is 10 mark means it is like this. Then it is, if it is 3 page means 15 mark, 4 page means 20 mark. This should be kept in mind while answering. Very neatly you should delineate. So for this question, how to write is what? So in the, see, if you want to check the significance, evidences, which I have already presented, you check it. Here I'm going to talk about how to structure the answer. The first thing that you should do is actually write what is Australopithecus. I'm just first, so you should not write that. Okay, don't write. Okay, maybe sometimes students mistake that as well. Okay, I'm just writing, I'm structuring. So you write what is an Australopithecus. Okay, so you should write that in the first paragraph. So how do you write that is what I said in the previous video. I said this. You should not write. Okay, so here I am structuring here. You should not write anything and everything as a Australopithecus. You should be able to say that this is a species in Pliocene and the Pleistocene. Okay. Pliocene, Pleistocene, starting from 5 million years to 2 million years or 1.5 million years. The species in the hominin line. Okay. Species in the hominin line of the order primate is called as Australopithecus. This is something that is very essential when you write an answer. You cannot write an answer just like that. Write this. So, first point is this. Second, which you should write in the answer is the phylogenetic status. So, you should write the phylogenetic status. Second video, okay, phylogenetic tree. The second video we made, you please check it. Second or sorry, third video, I think third episode, phylogenetic status. I have made very clear analysis of how to write that tree. Okay, I have made from Sahelanthropus chardensis. Okay, chardensis till Australopithecus. Okay, Australopithecus afferens is very important. From here, it diverges into many places. So you write this as a very clear. Understand it, my friends. You have to give it like how it is very clearly given. Then. talk about, so you see here, then they are saying south, major species of South and East Africa. In the phylogenetic status, in the last video, check it, I would have given the delineation, right?
Lincoln program. Lincoln is a prelims cum mains complete batch. That also we are planning to start by June 15. So both the brochures I will be putting in Minds of Aspirant group. The details of Lincoln batch I have made in other videos also. You can check those videos. Any other doubts regarding Lincoln, you can call the number. We will be very happy to clarify on that. Thank you for watching. All the best.
You talk about, see, you talk about then the East. Then you can actually see East meaning, or the species in the East meaning, you can talk about what and all species are there. You check it. You can talk about Australopithecus anamensis. Okay, this is the 4 million years. Then you can talk about Australopithecus afarensis. Here you talk about Lucy. Okay, here you talk about Lucy and its, you can draw a diagram as well and tell them where it is. This Afar region. Okay, Afar region is where afarensis is there. Then you can talk about Laetoli footprints. This is very, very significant. This is where Lucy and the footprints and everything is there. Then Lake Turkana. Then Old Way Gorge is there. Okay, Old Way Gorge is there. So this east, you can actually very well write it. Then afferences you can write. Then you can talk about the tree. That is how from here it is diverging into Ethiopicus. Okay, Ethiopicus, Australopithecus, Ethiopicus, then the Homo line. You can talk about, how this is going to Homo habilis. So old way gorge. So you can talk about that. Then you think about the south. So in the structure east. So east will fill this. You can actually east 2 3, okay, nicely explained, my friends, nicely explained, with one diagram explain. Don't write just like that, no points. Okay, explain the species of afferensis means Lucy, which is there, how the legs are there, why, and we see that lately footprints and things are there. They will really like it. Then you can go for south. Okay, in south you can talk about Africanus and Robustus. So see how the pages are filling. Analyze them. Do not write the points. Okay, write the analysis. Then you can talk about south. Okay, in south you can talk about how you can find Africanus. Okay, then you can talk about robustus. So be careful, robustus. You have to, in anthropology, be careful about this. So fourth is robustus. Then comes the Taung Child. Okay, then you can talk about the Taung Child very well. In the first video, I have explained Taung Child and its significance, how this Taung child, when it was found and why it becomes a significance. So they are asking one by one. Look at it. They are asking discovery, physical features, and significance. Discovery, I think so. One by one, can we write? So discovery is nicely right, how it was discovery, and in the last video and all, please check it. This discovery is what changed 1925. This discovery is what changed the movement of discovery, and maybe you can write it in significance. Nicely write it. And you can talk about the significance and the characters. Analyze it, my friends, analyze it. Do not write as a point. Okay, just writing one, legs are there, hands have come. So no, tell them that the species has become bipedal because It was there in an region of savanna where it is enabling it to walk because it wanted to eat a food which is actually different from the species which earlier was there. Example, Ardipithecus and other things which were there in the trees. Now it is in the food. Now you can look at the laterally footprints. You write it like that. Okay, analyze. Okay, sample. Then you will get significant. Last but not the least, actually, Australopithecus has recent species. Okay, recent species is there. Australopithecus sediba is there. Beharal ghazali is there. Australopithecus Beharal ghazali is there. Okay. Australopithecus, you can talk about these species in the end. 20 mark, my friends. Okay. 20 mark. Excellent, we can get. You can check this point. Each point will actually fourth, fifth. So then you can talk about the Taung Child. Okay, Taung Child, how it can be distributed. So discovery, I said, right? Discovery, then features, then you can talk about the place or features or significance. First video, please check it. Then you can talk about the other species. So 5 6 facets only are there, but we write points. Okay, but check this thing. East, Anamensis afarensis africanus, not africanus, Anamensis afarensis Paranthropus Ethiopicus boisei. So third point, 3 points I will write. I'll talk about the species which is there and the environment which is there and which enabled it to be the species which is there, and hence it will have its specific form of skull and things. That's answer. That's the answer to this question. It's a 20 mark question. You can check the other videos also. I will make, so if you want, I will make videos for such things in the future also. For anthropology, this is a specific channel. Anybody who is writing mains, you can send this to them as well. Any other doubts you have about anthropology, I can make answer structure like this. This is a very high scoring subject, but provided we provide them the analysis, if we provide them the points which are there in the notes, how are they going to give us point, or how are they going to give us marks? This is Ember and Ember, my friends. I have not taken from any other place. It's Ember and Ember. It's directly there. This is a chapter in Ember and Ember. This is the point that we should do to score high scores. On the other chapter, other questions we will discuss. I hope this video was useful. If you like this video, please like it and share it to any of the friends who are there in for anthropology as an optional in UPSC. Any doubts that you have, you can put it. I will make.
In Minds of Aspirant, we are also going to start this GENE 2026 Anthropology Foundational course for any of you who wish to study anthropology as a subject, as an optional paper for UPSC. And if you have any doubts as regarding how to write an answer, everything will be covered in that anthropology batch. Any of the mains candidates who wish to write mains also can approach us for GENE 2026 batch. I will include them in a specific way so that they will be able to write this examination which is coming in the mains. So thank you for watching. All the best.